Hi everyone! Are you looking for ready for move-in and just 5 minutes away from the Bali area? Welcome in La Residencia de Santa Rosa, Laguna. So this house and lot is with the lot area of 150 square meter and the floor area is 220 square meter. So as you can see at the back, this is 2-car garage. So ayan, with dirty kitchen, and of course, you can put your kitchen rack or other extra gamit here. So at the back, syempre rin yung para nating mini terrace, and dito sa harap natin is mini recreational area or garden. So pagpasok natin dito, nga pala anyway, this is modern architectural design. So this is the spacious area that you can put your sofa and TV. So mapapansin nyo, industrial design yung yung concept natin dito. So with stairs, of course, ang kagandahan dito, napaka-aesthetic. Pag unang punta mo pa lang, ang ganda ng ambience and talagang parang welcome na welcome kapag pumunta yung mga bisita. And dito naman yung dining area natin, dining table, and of course, the beautiful kitchen area. Ayan, talagang ma-enjoy mo na mag-ready dito ng pagkain para sa pamilya mo. And of course, the kitchen rack and of course, yung sa oven. Pwedeng-pwede mong gamitin, i-maximize yung pwesto niya, i-maximize mo yung mga gamit na kakailanganin mo. So, pwede din dito yung rep and open for washing machine dito. So, indoor. Yan, pwede ka ditong maglaba. So, dyan mo yung pwede ilagay yung washing machine. So, ayan yung sinasabi ko kanina ng dirty kitchen. So, ang kagandahan dito, we have 4 bedrooms. So, the 2 bedrooms is master bedroom with walk-in closet. So, akyat tayo para makita nyo yung ganda ng bahay. So, ayan, may pabungad tayong chandelier. So, ang kagandahan dito, marami siyang salamin, so maaliwalas siya tignan. So, this is one of our master bedroom. Ayan. Ang laki. With cabinet siya, built-in cabinet. Yan. So, almost talagang parang na siya, complete finish. Yan. With partition. Gamit mo na lang yung kulang para maging fully furnished to. So, this is our pinaka-main master bedroom with balcony. So, mapapansin nyo nga pala dito, guys, malaki yung balcony natin kasi extended siya. So, ang kagandahan dito, dahil extended yung balcony nyo, mako-cover nyo yung 2-car garage nyo, hindi siya mauulanan or maiinitan masyado. So, ayan. So, as you can see, we have extra space for coffee table and talaga namang pwedeng tambayan. Like, pwede nyo lagyan ng sofa or paggabi, pwede nyo i-enjoy to dahil mahangin and maaliwalas din. So, at ito makikita nyo is yung walk-in closet natin. So, kanina nakita nyo yung cabinet dito talaga, meron siyang pinaka-room. So, ayan, ito yung mga built-in cabinet natin or shoe rack. Pwede nyo lagay dito shoe rack, mga shoes or mga bag nyo. So, meron pa, ito yung ating second toilet and bath. So, sa second floor, we have 1 toilet and bath and the first floor is 1 toilet and bath also. So, this is our regular room, pero hindi na din masama kasi ang ganda, lawak, with built-in cabinet. So, same as sa kabila. Regular room din siya, hindi siya master bedroom, pero that you really enjoy the spacious bed. So, with built-in cabinet. So, again, andito tayo ngayon sa La Residencias. So, what are the mode of payment? So, this is open for cash and bank financing. So, this is 16 million with capital gains tax. So, as you can see, this is below market value. So, if you are interested to go around here in Bali to find your dream home, you can message me here, flash on the screen my contact number, and see you this coming weekend. Bye!